Out the weak ones, can't you?
Yeah.
So,
This one's a strong hive and it's got no wasps.
and this is a queen I bought and put in a month ago.
Oh, wait, this is the Bucksfast queen.
Yeah, so we'll see if she's taken and laying.
That's a big polyester hive. I've never seen them ones before.
Yeah, well, they're nationals, but they're not because they're not compatible. You put, obviously the roof wouldn't fit on that, but you try to put a super. Well, you can see this one's the same. Look, there's always an overhang. That's all right. I got it right. So there's no gaps. That's fine. And they still look pretty good. That's a bit overgrown, but there you are.
So why did you get them ones then with the polyester?
Oh, these are getting chocker, mate. I'd say there's a good viable queen in there, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's very good, isn't it? So why did you get the polyester hives? Just something different?
Just originally what I first bought.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and you know they're
Good for overwintering, I suppose, aren't
I mean these are yeah, I mean they're warmer. I mean about a date, but I just think overall it doesn't make a huge amount of difference. Let's give them a blast, can you? In some ways, I suppose it's even pointless really checking them because
Yeah, they were just a.
you know that's
Yeah. So you really need to put a super on them, don't you?
it's too late really.
What, in the year to put it on?
I think so. Yeah, she's just start to decrease laying now. I'll put a super on, that ain't really going to do it, I don't think. Well, clearly that Buckfast is, oh look at that, see that's the trouble, mate, it sticks down so much.
So was this a swarm then, earlier in the year? Was this one you just had for a long time?
This was overwintered. The queen failed in spring. They were queenless for a while. Well, actually, they weren't. They raised their own version queen, but she ended up being a drone layer.
Oh, right,
So I found her and killed her, left them for a week, bought that queen, and then put the queen and released her.
Oh yeah, so there was never that many bees in there really until now.
But this is pretty good. So they're filling out the outer sides with the honey now.
Oh yeah, there are fucking wasps in there.
Look at that. That's there. Get in, mate. You get in.
Wasps are nicking their honey now. Oh, get it.
You see how they get in and still nick a bit, can't you?
Yeah.
Can't overrun it, but just enough so they can just get in and get out undetected.
How the hell they do that, I don't know.
Queen.
You're going to try and find a queen, are you?
I want to see how she's laying, yeah. Well, see she's laying pretty darn good, isn't she? So there's even eggs on the outside there. Can you see that?
Oh yeah, I can see them. I don't know. Yeah, they can maybe see them on the video
Tiny
if they
bits
know
of
what to
rice.
look at them. Yeah.
So they're hatching out and then she's relayed, so she's still, look at that. Look.
Yeah, good pattern, isn't it?
So that's a pretty, well, I'm pleased with that. See, I mean, you have one failure and one success, don't you?
Yeah.
You know, and that was weakish, so I knew that anyway, so, you know, it's not a surprise. But it's nice to see. This one is, she's done well, they hadn't killed her when I released her. So that's very good, she's laying excellent.
She might be on the bottom of that frame.
Never,
No? There's a biggish. No, maybe not.
there's never wasp on the next frame. It shows how they sneak in, don't it? They sneak in and take a bit of honey. But there's no way they would do a run up. It's too, you know, you can imagine how many are trying to keep getting in, how much they're trying to keep defending all the time. The odd one get in and manage to get a bit of honey. Yeah.
Yeah.
But she's they're slowing down a bit, I think. Start to backfill now with the nectar.
Oh yeah.
Got brood, and they start to backfill. You can see this healthy little pearly white larvae in a nice C shape.
Yeah.
So you know that's a nice healthy hive. Yeah, they're backfill on there as well now, so she's definitely slowing down laying. This is where you gotta be careful because you don't want to kill her now, do you?
Well, no, you've got enough time to sort her out, have you?
You know, time they raise another one. I could buy one in, I guess, but then that costs another 40 quid, doesn't it? Just by me being clumsy.
Like I gave the bloke next door a jar of honey the other day. He gave me a load of figs off his tree.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they definitely slow down laying now. And, you know, there's a good amount of bees as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
And this
yeah.
is ideal. That's what I want to see on all the hives. You know, they're, as I said, they're starting to backfill, so they're starting to fill up their own stores now for the winter.
I suppose these hives are designed to store the right amount of bees in a way, aren't they? That's obviously how big they normally get, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah, you want it roughly around about 10,000 for the winter, but I've had more than that, which isn't a bad thing. But, you know, we're middle of August now. There's
Not many months to go, is it? That'll be winter time, isn't it?
yeah, this season's coming to an end, mate, without a doubt. But I'm going to put a super on the hive down the allotment. It's got pollen on.
Yeah, oh yeah. Full of pollen, eh? Oh, there's still plenty to get at the moment, isn't there?
Yeah, it's bits and bits. It ain't a nectar flow though.
No.
It slows down. They're still going to bring in stuff, of course, but there's not a. You wouldn't call it a nectar flow. It's just a new point putting a super on. You're just creating more space for them to try to defend. The wasps trying to get in. So, but yeah, that's good. I'm just going to check this frame. That'll be it. I'll just shut them up on it. Pretty calm, aren't they?
Yeah, nice bees.
Good bit of brood there though, look, cat brood. So she was, there she is.
Oh yeah, yellow spot on her.
She's a nice clump, isn't she?
Yeah.
Lovely jubbly.
That'll do then. You said that'll be the last frame, didn't you?
Yeah. Right, that's where I want to be really careful.
bird. They'll attack them now. From the rear.
Trouble when they stick it all together. So it'll be a frame or replace next year. Jesus, mate. Bloody hell. Right, that's looking good.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to feed it yet.
No.
They're filling up the frames.
I suppose another month or so you'll feed it.
I'll have a look again. Yeah, there's
Middle of
plenty,
September.
There's plenty of time. You haven't got to panic and start
No.
putting a load of sugar syrup on, because all they'll do,
It's
they'll
not
end up
go
storing
anywhere.
it all,
Yeah.
and then the queen will have nowhere to lay. She's still laying. So the more she keep on laying, the later she keep on laying, the more bees there's going to be for the winter.
You got to sort of let them look after themselves, really.
You haven't you?
Yeah.
You see what I mean? Where I'll be truthful with you. Before this time, I'll put sugar syrup on.
Yeah.
So then that's been way too early. Where people take all the honey off now, then start to feed, and the queen's got nowhere to lay at all. And so she can't lay, you get less bees going into winter. But I'll chuff for that one. It's fine.